Hi guys and welcome back to my fitness channel. Today's video is a workout routine which you can do at home with no equipments at all, and you can lose weight. So yeah, today I'll be sharing with you guys workouts which I do on an everyday basis in order to lose weight, and if you want to do the same, continue watching. So yes guys, this was my quick workout routine at home on my terrace. As you can see, I have done these workouts on the terrace. कोई फैंसी इक्विपमेंट जिम की जरूरत नहीं है इन वर्कआउट को करने के लिए, एंड अगर ये 5 से 7 मिनट लगेंगे आपको ये वर्कआउट करने में. These 3 sets in order to gain results, and you will see some great results on your body if you do it consistently. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. Give it a big fat thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Until then, goodbye.